Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing two pairs of the Uniqlo pleated wide pants in a extra large that I picked up from Uniqlo's online store. Yeah guys, we're back at it again so soon. Don't worry, I am being as financially responsible as I can in my new apartment, but I just decided to pick these pants up before I moved, and they arrived as I was moving, and I guess now is the best time for me to unbox them now that I've moved into the apartment. But yeah, no, I've been on the hunt for these style of pants for a long time. I'm a size 40 in the waist. I generally wear a Levi's 501 in a size 40. I find it hard a lot of the time to find a lot of pants that fit me well and suit my body style. A lot of men's pleated suit pants and pants in general, they're very tailored to the styles of today, where they sit more at the hips. They're very tapered, and they taper down into a very thin, I guess, ankle area. They're not straight leg or wide leg cut, and I'm really bummed out by that because I really like the style of men's suit pants that are very wide and flowy and everything like that. Basically everything that the women's section has. And before buying these men's pleated wide pants, I did have a look in the women's section to see what I had available. I asked some friends of mine, like, if they knew any women's online stores for tall and big women, because I feel like there's got to be a woman out there that's probably my size out there, so they've got to make pleated pants or suit pants for her, right? Unfortunately, I didn't come back with much, and if I did come back with something, the length wouldn't be long enough for me because I'm still 6'5", so I've got some length to me. So yeah, I gave up looking through the women's section, even though they're the even though that's what a lot of the pants that I like in that style are catered towards these days. But I eventually landed on some Uniqlo pleated wide pants, and these were in a straight leg cut, so no definition from the waist all the way down to the ankle. It's just a straight cut. Pretty self-explanatory. So I decided to pick two pairs up in the biggest size, an extra large, because apparently according to the size chart, they fit up to a 40 waist. So I'm keen to try it out. I'm keen to see how they fit, how they feel. Hopefully they should fit a lot better than the suit pants that I currently own, because I've only bought like very cheap ones. I think I'm eventually just gonna have to go down the pathway of getting them custom made by a tailor or something and go from there. That's probably the best experience, but I think I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible, mainly for wallet reasons. But one day I reckon I'll have to do it. But yeah, anyway, until that time, we'll try Uniqlo. We'll see what Uniqlo's got for me. So I've got two of them in a 2 extra large in black. So I'll try them on, I'll unbox them and show them to you, and then I'll try them on Onbody, and we'll see how they look. So let's get into it. Let's unbox these pants and take it from there. So glad Uniqlo has really easy to open packages, because I haven't bought a pair of scissors for my apartment yet, and yeah, I've only got a really large knife to use to open boxes, so I'll have to go buy some scissors. My trusty kitchen scissors, you know. We'll get this open though, just so I can showcase it to you all. So here is box. Get that open. It's got a Uniqlo boxes have always got a very interesting design to them, because they're, I guess, designed to not have any tape on them, and they kind of just are meant to work as is. But I'll take these two out of here. They are actually quite heavy for the material choice that they've chosen to go with for these pants. So we'll have a look at the order description. Pleated wide pants, extra large, oh sorry, extra large. Cool. No dramas with that. I think the makeup of these pants is mostly polyester and a little bit of viscose, with a little bit of a elastine probably for the waist area, as it looks like it has a very like sweatpant waist area on the sides. I'll show you what I mean by that, but yeah, no, material wise it sounds very lightweight and very free flowy, so that's always good. You know, it's not a heavy material like cotton or something like that. I'll get this out of the bag and try and showcase it to you. They look really long, which is fantastic. You know, that's going to be perfect for me. We'll put this material down here. But as we can see, something went flying off there. We can see here that this is what I was talking about. On the sides, it has a very like sweatpants band kind of fabric over there. I kind of hope that that's not super obvious when I actually wear them, because I'm kind of banking on it not having that look, because I like the very, I guess, sophisticated look of men's dress pants, and having something like that crinkly sweatpants band on it kind of takes away from that, but it might actually give me more give in that area. So as much as I might dislike it, it might actually do me favors. We'll have to see how that kind of plays out. But yeah, there we go. Polyester, viscose, and elastine for the material choices. As I kind of read on their website, I was like, oh yeah, that sounds all right. That sounds pretty comfortable and whatnot. We'll take that off of there. And I guess, I mean, I got a second pair. I don't think I really need to unbox that one because it's just going to be exactly the same as this pair. But this is kind of what we're looking at here. Very wide. Can go to a very, very wide waist. Fantastic to hear. They look super comfortable. The material feels really lightweight. I know that we've just come into autumn now in Australia, but I feel like these will be really good for when it warms up at the end of 2024. Yeah, I'm keen to try them on and see how they go. The color's really nice, solid black, no mixture of any, I guess, other colors or fabrics or anything like that. You can probably see that that's the case because the camera is just picking it up as solid black and there's nothing mixed in with it. So there you go. They do have drawstrings. I don't know if I can, yeah, there we go. I can showcase that to you. Drawstrings on them. I don't know how I feel about that. Again, I'm kind of questioning it because I'm like, I like the sophisticated look of suit pants. You're adding drawstrings to it. It's making me feel less and less like they're sophisticated suit pants. But maybe all those, I guess, ideas and thoughts on, you know, the traditional pair of suit pants will go away as soon as I wear it. And I'm like, you know what? I was wrong the whole time. This is fantastic. I'll let you know. I'll chuck these guys on and I'll give it a shot and we'll go from there. So here's me rocking them, guys, and honestly, what I have to say about them, these are the best fitting pants that I've ever worn in a size 40. If anything, they're like a bit large. Like I've got quite a bit of room here. I've tightened it with the drawstrings, but I still got a lot of room to move. They feel very comfortable. They're not loose, so I would say that if you're a size 40 in Levi's, these will fit you very, very well. They're not tight anywhere, and that is such a change of pace for me in men's suit pants, because generally I have issues with like the distance between the waist and the crotch area. Normally it's like always riding up here. Normally it's super tight around the thighs. Normally it's just something wrong with it. But with these, I have heaps and heaps of room. I have, as I said, the most room I've ever had in suit pants. And I think I'm in love, man. These pants are fantastic. One crazy detail that I have to try and like showcase to you if I can, the right pocket has like a pocket inside the pocket, and it's a massive pocket. Like my hand is fully expanded there, but you probably can't see it, but it literally has a pocket inside the pocket, and it's like a small pocket for like your keys or something, and then you can slip your phone over the top of it. I don't even know if I can like show you that in any way because it's just so weirdly designed. It's not that way in the left pocket though, only in the right. So I guess I can put my keys in my small pocket in here and then have my phone over the top so that my keys aren't rubbing up against the phone. I mean, that's an awesome design choice. but I don't think I saw that anywhere in the product photos. Or maybe it's just like an accidental, like, you know, mistake with mine or something like that. I don't know, but like, it is like, it's not just a hole, because I can feel the bottom of it. And when I pull my hand out of the small pocket and put my hand in the bigger pocket, there's no hole there, so it's not like it's just a hole. So I don't know, but yeah, no, I really like them. I haven't got a belt in them. I definitely will be wearing them with a belt. But yeah, no, these, like, this is just fantastic. This is exactly, like, well, not exactly, but pretty close to like what I've been wanting from suit pants. I've got no complaints with it. Like, it is flowy, it's lightweight. I really like the leg opening because it's a straight cut, but a big leg opening, so it's gonna flow lovely on top of pants and stuff like that. It just like it's just beautiful. It's exactly like, it's so close to what I've been wanting in general, but it's perfect for now. It's the best pair of suit pants that I have, definitely. And I already don't want to wear my pair that I was wearing tomorrow. I want to wear these tomorrow because these are just, it's just so nice. It's just so comfortable. I'm a changed man now. Uniqlo back at it again. I'm very grateful they went with a extra large sizing for them. I'll definitely have to come back and pick up more in the future, and I hope they still have models like this in stock further down the line. What can I say? I think if you're a size 40 waist, maximum 42, 43, you probably could go here, but I wouldn't go, like, if you were creeping upwards on that scale, I would only buy it if there was a 3 extra large available to you. That's pushing these 2 extra large ones to the max. I think if you're sitting at a 40 waist, they're very comfortable, exactly what you want. But I feel like if you're going up to a 41, 42, you're gonna start feeling that tightness there. If you're like a 39 or 38, don't buy the 2 extra large, because I feel like it's just gonna be way too loose on you, unless you kind of like that look. But I think you're going to be like having to get a belt for it and hold it up, because they're going to fall down, I reckon. Because yeah, these are very wide. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's, I guess, all I have to really showcase about them. They've got a single pleat just down the leg. Nothing too crazy about the design choice with that. Yeah, I think it's just sick. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Maybe you have a pair of them and you don't like them. Maybe you have a pair and you absolutely love them. I'd love to hear any thoughts that you have on the Uniqlo pleated wide pants down in that comment section below. Well, that's them completely unboxed, guys. I mean, I was gonna unbox the second pair, but I was like, well, there's nothing different from the second pair to the first pair. It's the same color, same size. I feel like you get the same effect. I feel like we're just wasting time here unboxing a second pair. Of course, I'll wear the second pair, but I won't bother showing it to you guys on camera because I feel like it's perfectly fine. But yeah, really love the pants, love the way they fit. Definitely, I won't backtrack on it. I think these are the best fitting suit pants that I've had as a, I guess, bigger guy, and I definitely recommend them to any guys that are struggling to find sizing in suit pants and struggle with like the waist area, the rise, just anywhere, any area around the midsection. If you just really struggle with that because the pants just don't fit okay, definitely go with the Uniqlo ones. They are fantastic. And if I ever need any suit pants, I'm not going to cheap out and get like the very fast fashion options. I'm going to go with the Uniqlo ones and hopefully one day get a pair of tailored ones. That would be an awesome experience as well. But yeah, I think that's everything I really have to say about them, guys. I definitely give them, you know, the tick of approval. I definitely think they're a lovely pair of pants. They come in a variety of different colors on the Australian Uniqlo store. They come in like a beige, olive, navy, gray, or black. Of course, I went with the black, typical. But you might be interested in some of the other color offerings because you might have a wardrobe that's more suited towards that. So I thought I'd just let you know that there are other color offerings available for it. But yeah, I absolutely love them. Won't be altering them or changing them at all. They're exactly what I want. So yeah, I think that's everything I have to really say about them, guys. But I'd love to hear anything you have to say about them or any comments or questions that you have let me know what you got to say down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep showcasing everything that I'm going to be unboxing, not that it's going to be a lot of things in the future because I've got to be more financially responsible, let me know. Let me know by giving me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is a subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, we're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,830 subscribers before the end of March. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of the month. I think that's everything I have to say about these pants, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Uniqlo, for going up to a extra large on the Australian store. I'm very appreciative of feeling included by having that sizing option available, and I'm very grateful for pants in those size. It really helps me out, and you know, just makes me feel a little bit better that there's pants that actually properly fit me, you know? That's everything I really have to add about them, guys. So until the next unboxing video, until the next Uniqlo video, until the next streetwear talk video in general, I'll catch you later.